students, welcome to Crash Stream online class. Okay, today I am going to explain our chapter fractions and decimals of class 7. Clear? So first, see what is fraction. So fraction definition is a fraction is a part of whole. Okay, fraction is a part of whole. Means if I consider a circle, if I draw one circle, see this is a circle, right? So if I draw one circle, then I'll divide a circle into 4 equal parts. I'll divide a circle into 4 equal parts. Okay? So if I shade one part of this circle, say total how many parts? Total 4 parts. In this, one part is shaded. Correct? One part of the circle is shaded. So this is how we can write in fractions. See, out of 4, one is shaded. Correct? So out of 4 parts, one is shaded. So 1 by 4 is a fraction. 1 by 4 is a fraction. What is fraction? A fraction is a part of whole. Clear? A fraction is a part of whole. So this is example. If you want one more figure, you can draw. I'll draw a rectangle shape. Then I'll divide a rectangle into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Then if I shade any 2 part of this rectangle, see here one part is shaded, one more part is shaded. Total how many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. Correct? Total how many parts are there? Total there are 6 parts, 6 columns, right? 6 parts. In that 2 parts are shaded. So we can write out of 6, 2 is shaded. So we can write 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 is a fraction. 2 by 6 is a fraction. Clear? Fraction is a part of whole. If you want, you can write one more definition. So the definition is a number which can be written in the form of P by Q. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q. Any number if you write in the form of P by Q, that means 1 by 2 or 3 by 7, 12 by 15. So all these are in the form of P by Q form. P by Q form. But condition is P and Q are natural numbers. You can write only the natural numbers. In place of P and in place of Q, both numerator and denominator numbers should be a natural number. We cannot write negative, minus we cannot write. Only we can consider positive integers, positive numbers. That means P and Q are natural numbers. You know, natural numbers always starts from 1. Natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, isn't it? So we can write only the natural numbers in a fraction. Clear? A number which can be written in the form of P by Q are called fraction. Clear? Any number if you write in the form of P by Q are called fraction. But the definition, the condition is where P and Q are natural numbers and Q is not equal to 0. Why Q is not equal to 0? See, P by Q form, right? So if you write denominator is 0, Q should not be equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0. Means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 value is not defined, right? So 1 by 0. So denominator Q value is here 0. Q value is 0. This is not possible. So Q should not be equal to 0. So P by Q form, correct? 1 by 0. But Q value is here. Denominator Q value is 0. So 1 by 0, that is not defined. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Q is not equal to 0. So we cannot write 100 by 0, 7 by 0. Is all not defined. So condition Q is not equal to 0. We cannot write 0 in the denominator. So we cannot write 0 in the denominator. Clear? P and Q must be a natural number, then Q is not equal to 0. For example, we can write example to fraction 2 by 5, 1 by 3, next 5 by 12, 7 by 8, 1 by 2. So these are example to fraction. Clear? If you want, you can write first definition or second definition. Clear? So first definition is a fraction is a part of whole, or we can write one more definition, a number which can be written in the form of P by Q are called fraction, where P and Q are natural numbers. P and Q are natural number and Q is not equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0. For example, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 5 by 12, 7 by 8, 1 by 2. You can give many examples to fraction. Clear? Yes. Next, types of fractions. Types of fractions in this first type, that is proper fraction. This one, proper fraction. Next, second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Third one, mixed fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. First one, see what is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? See, numerator is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Clear? Numerator is lesser than the denominator is called proper fraction. Clear? So for example, 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is a fraction. So this 2 by 7 is example to proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is smaller. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. So 2 is lesser than the 7. So 2 by 7 is example to proper fraction. If you want, you can write one more example, that is 4 by 5. 4 by 5, this numerator is smaller and denominator is larger, isn't it? So 4 by 5 is example to proper fraction. 4 by 5 is a example to proper fraction because numerator is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is lesser than the denominator. So next, improper fraction. You want to write two more examples. Okay, next we will see improper fraction. What is improper fraction? So this numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is always greater than the denominator. That is improper fraction. Here numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 7 by 3. 7 by 3. In this example, say numerator is greater, larger number, right? Denominator is smaller one. So 7 by 3 is example to improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So next example, 12 by 8. Next, 15 by 4. Next, 3 by 2. So we can give many example to improper fraction. Okay. So 7 by 3, 12 by 8, 15 by 4 and 3 by 2. So these are all example to improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Clear? Yes. Next type is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means a combination of whole number and a fraction. It's a combination of whole number and a fraction. Or we can say that mixed fraction is including whole number. Whole number starts from 0, right? told 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction, right? So again you have to consider one more number, that is whole number. 4 is a whole number, right? So 4 1 by 2 is example to mixed fraction. So if you want one more example you can take, that is 6 7 by 8. 6 7 by 8 is example to mixed fraction. See, 6 is a whole number along with the fraction. Whole number along with fraction. Clear? 7 by 8 is a fraction. 6 is whole number. So 6 7 by 8 is a mixed fraction. 6 7 by 8 is a mixed fraction. Next example, 3 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4 is also in mixed fraction. Next 23 by 7. 20 and 3 by 7 is a fraction. So mixed fraction means is a combination of whole number and fraction. Combination of whole number and fraction. Clear? Understood? So types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. 3 types. Clear? So first you have to study what is the definition. What is fraction? First you must know what is fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. Clear? So if you want, you can write one more definition, that is a number which can be written in the form of P by Q. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q are called fraction, where P and Q are natural numbers. We can write only the natural numbers. We cannot write negative numbers, minus. We cannot consider integers. Yeah? Only we can consider natural numbers. That is a condition. Then one more condition, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Denominator means a Q, right? P by Q form. So Q is in the denominator. So the denominator should not be equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. For example, we can write example 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 5 by 12, 7 by 8, 1 by 2, if you want to write 13 by 4, all these are in fraction, right? All these are in fraction. Now, next types of fraction, proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is lesser than the denominator. Next, improper fraction, that is numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Next, last third type, that is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and fractions. A combination of whole number and fraction. Clear? So this is the introduction of this chapter. Thank you.